Let's see how can we create a child email account under a parent control. For that, visit gmail.com on Google. Then select create a account. After you entering create a account, it may ask for myself or business self. So select the for myself. Please enter the enter field, your first name, last name, and then username. Please create a password which you have to remember always. After this, please enter next button. Then it may ask for the mobile number option. It is for recovery options. Please enter a relevant mobile number that you have. Then it is asking for recovery email address. It is a optional, so I am not preferring for that. Then enter the date of birth of your child. Then please select the gender. Click on the next button. If your child is under 30 years old, then it will automatically ask for a parent control. Let's see on next slide. Here get help from a parent. So please enter a email address. It will be a parent email address. After that, please click on next button. Here Google is asking for some terms and conditions. Please select the enter terms and condition, then click the agree button. Then they are asking for the parent email ID password. So enter the exact password of your parent email ID. Then click on the next button. Here the terms and conditions or how the child account is controlled by the parent is described. After that, please enter the I agree button that you can control the child account. The all fields are right. Please check it that. Then click next button. Here a Google account is created for your child. It may take 2 or 3 seconds. It's ready. Here the child account. Now the child account is ready. The mails received by your child that you can monitor from your mail address. Okay. Thank you.